Major train accident that's been averted in UP. Disaster was thwarted after a conspiracy to derail the Prayagraj Bhiwani Express in Kanpur. That conspiracy of which was uncovered. In fact, a train colluded with the LPG gas cylinder that was placed on the tracks near a crossing in Kanpur's Muderi. In fact, alongside the damaged LPG cylinder, cops have recovered now a bottle filled with petrol, matchboxes and several other suspicious items there. In fact, it looked typically an attempt to derail that train. This comes after the mastermind of 2002 Akshardham temple attack and Bengaluru's Rameshwaram cafe blast. Farhatullah Ghori had sent a message to the terror sleeper cells in India to carry out attacks on trains, petroleum pipelines. Lately, incidents of train derailments have also been on the rise in India. Both freight and passenger trains have been increasingly involved in accidents where trains are derailed, they go off track, several people have died in the process, raising serious alarms.
Right now I'm present at the track and you can see just behind me in the visuals, this is the particular spot from where this cylinder was found, and you can see that the RPF and the other forces are already on the spot. Crime scene has already been seen by the forensic department. You can see this is the particular spot where the cylinder was found. And as of now, the seal, the cover of this whole cylinder, which you can see that the label is already there, it is still present there. Now, what happened at around 8:40 in the evening, from this very particular spot, Kalandi Express was coming on, where the driver saw that there was a cylinder which was kept on the track. After that, he tried to apply the emergency brakes, but the cylinder was dragged till 50 meters at this very particular spot. You can see in the visual there are certain marks which are still present there on the track, which are of the cylinder which was being dragged. Now, when the police reached the spot, they started the search operation, and what the police found was in fact shocking. There was a petrol pump which was found at the spot. There was a matchbox. There was explosive in the form of the powder that was found from this very particular spot, just near this place where this whole incident happened. You can see that is also a place which has been sealed by the forensic team department, which has gathered all the evidences. Now, the IB, ATS and other agencies have also chipped in. They've started their investigation. The UP police is doing a separate investigation. The railway is doing a separate investigation. And after this whole investigation will be completed, the final report will be submitted.
अभी हमारे सभी वरिष्ठ अधिकारियों ने मौका का मुआयना किया है और हम लोग चीज़ों को गंभीरता से देख रहे हैं और जिस तरह के तथ्य प्रकाश में आएंगे हम मीडिया को अवगत कराएंगे।
देखिए, साबरमती एक्सप्रेस हो या कालिंदी एक्सप्रेस हो, कालिंदी एक्सप्रेस ने तो जो मैं कहता था साबरमती में कहा था, ये संयोग नहीं है, प्रयोग है। रेल के चूक से दुर्घटना नहीं हुई है, ये साजिश चल रही है। LOP जी का जुबान बंद, इस पर अखिलेश जी का जुबान बंद, क्योंकि साजिश करने वाले एक खास समुदाय के होंगे, आ जाएगा।
This incident or this recovery in Kanpur confirms that somewhere there is an element or a group of people working towards this. And while we congratulate the intelligence agencies and others for unearthing it and preventing a real disaster, the larger question that the opposition parties will now have to address is, in their attempt to politicize rail accidents, are they somewhere or the other sending some kind of indirect support to these groups who feel that they will not be focused at and they can keep doing it, and the opposition would be lost in an opposition outcry against rail safety?
All right, let me quickly cut across to our correspondent, Sibar Chawla, joining us live from Kanpur. Sibar, take us through the sabotage attempt which the officials suspect here, a gas cylinder that was placed strategically to ensure that that train derails. And we see that that gas cylinder has been recovered. You have the Railways Minister who's commented on it. They're suspecting that this could be a conspiracy deliberately to derail those trains at a time when the government is facing huge criticism for not servicing these trains or updating their systems.
Well, in fact, Nabila, certain questions have been raised in the past, but keeping in mind the series of there is serious concern about safety of railways. Because we have been seeing, if we talk about Gonda, if we talk about Farrukhabad, 21 days back, Sabarmati were detained in Kanpur. And behind this, what we saw.
If we talk about this very particular case, right now I'm present at the police station. We'll show you the visuals of the cylinder which collided with this particular train, and which was used to basically derail this very particular train. You can see this is written, evidence is written on that. It is written that this cylinder is filled. You can see that the polythene has been wrapped around that. It is being used as an evidence. This is inside the premises of the police station where this whole cylinder has been kept. If you see the situation of the cylinder, this is filled cylinder. And then too, there have been certain dents on it, keeping in mind the impact, that happened after, it collided with the Kalindi Express. So this is the condition of the cylinder. We will just show you the visuals. We are in the, Shivrajpur police station, and ATS is on the spot. IG ATS is taking a meeting inside the police station with the police officers. You can see in the visuals just behind me. These are the commandos of the ATS, Anti-Terrorist Squad, which has in fact come from Lucknow. And their IG Inspector General Nilabja Chaudhary is in fact inside taking a meeting with the police officials. If you could just sneak into this particular visual, there have been certain people that have been apprehended as of now. They're taken into the custody. Questioning is going on right now. Based on the inputs which were gathered from the local ground, you can see several people have been brought here for the questioning, which is going on right now. A high-level meeting is being chaired just inside this very particular room. So ID, ATS, and all the central agencies are working on this, that whether it is a conspiracy. And as mentioned by the railway minister, there might be some of the foul play, because there has been no reason that a filled cylinder along with the explosives will be present on the railway track in an attempt to in fact derail the train. Nabila, back to you.
All right. Simar, stay with us. Let me quickly cut across to terrorist Faratullah Gori, the man who's been accused even in the Bengaluru Rameshwaram blast case. He allegedly called for attacks on trains and petroleum pipelines as recent as August 28th. Let's listen in.
जो नए और कम तजुर्बेकार साथी हैं वो अपनी कार्रवाइयों का आगाज दुश्मन के खिलाफ इख्तिसादी जंग के जरिए कर सकते हैं। इस तरह की कार्रवाइयाँ महफूज और आसान हैं और हमें एक जंगी तजुर्बा भी देगी। लॉजिस्टिक यानी फौज और पुलिस के सहूलती निज़ाम को तबाह करना, हमलो नकल के ज़राए यानी ट्रांसपोर्ट को तबाह करना, रेलवे लाइन को सबोताज करना, इस तरह के अमल से दुश्मन को इक़्तिसादी नुकसान भी पहुंचेगा और इनके अंदर अफरा तफरी फैलेगी।